Lemon cream, what do you think?
I am excited.
Do you love the lemon cream?
I really like it.
What is a pasta bake? This is a meal where if you're into food and you want to serve your family or yourself healthy, clean, beautiful food. So can you read right under there? What does that say?
High protein egg and semolina pasta.
It's the complete pasta dish made by amazing chefs from Katie's. We put it in a tray, we freeze it, we send it to you, and 5 minutes later, you have a Katie's pasta dish. Can you take it out? Put it right there. That's it. So we're just gonna wait. You can make a salad, you can get some bread. I'm a mom, a single mom, who works very hard. We work very hard. We're always on the move, always on the go. This is considered like a fast, easy meal. I still want it to be a beautiful experience, and so that's what I'm sharing. Okay, it's ready. Can you help me?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pull it out because it's really hot. Okay. We're gonna have you grate some Parmesan on top. Hold on.
Hey.
And do olive oil?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Beautiful, baby. All right, let's take a bite and you tell us what you taste.
This is really, really, really good. Out of 5 stars, a 10.
Could you eat it every day? Mm-hmm. And that is our lemon cream sauce pasta bake. Oh, she's taking it away.